Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Bluetooth on any smart TV. Let's begin. To connect any Bluetooth device to your TV, such as a remote, headphones, speakers, gaming controller, or other Bluetooth accessories, here's what you need to do. First, go to the settings menu on your TV. On most smart TVs, you can find it in the top right corner, although the exact location may vary depending on the brand and model. Once you're in the settings menu, look for an option called Bluetooth Remotes and Accessories or Connected Devices. Scroll through the settings until you find it. Here you should see an option called Add Accessory or Pair New Device, along with a list of previously connected devices below it. To connect a new device, select Add Accessory. Your TV will now start searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Before proceeding, make sure the device you want to connect is in pairing mode. This is important, otherwise your TV won't be able to find it. Once your device appears in the list of available devices, select it. For example, if you're connecting a phone, speaker, or headphones, tap on its name from the list. You may see a pairing request on the TV screen. Simply confirm the pairing request to continue. After a few seconds, the device should connect successfully. Once connected, you'll see it listed under your paired or connected devices. That's it. This is how you can connect Bluetooth devices to any smart TV. Thanks for watching.